Yo, party people. Or the next day, back here at the spot again. Gonna finish painting this lovely hut. And play with the excavator, do some nice lovely shaping. And yeah, let's see how far we get and what we can get done in the next couple hours. It's 3 o'clock, we had a bit of a late start because we had to get some other things done this morning, but we're here now, so that's what counts. Yo, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, we're still on the ground painting. I got myself a ladder so I don't get dizzy holding my arm up all the time. Sea Dog is grafting in the back, shaping the jumps up. It's starting to look pretty clean. Over the winter, some of the jumps kind of deteriorate a bit, so we're stacking everything back up, making everything look dialed. And yeah, that's where we're standing right now. Let's check back in soon and see the progress.
Alright, so after actually 5 days of working on the shed, we're now actually building some jumps. So I'm happy that it's actually coming together now. Right now we are at the famous backyard battle feature, which is kind of like a 3 or 4 in 1. It's the big air, it's the hip that people love actually, and it's the crossover double. Yeah, this was like a favorite. I think especially the hip was the favorite of everyone, and yeah, I'm stoked to reshape it finally.
Yo, so since Sea Dog still has some shaping left to do, and he's got to get out of here tomorrow, so we're trying to get as much done as possible. If we have no more paint left, Alessio and I decided we'll go up and shape the entrance so as much as we can of the line. I think for now we're just going to shape the kicker of the first double. We'll see how far we get, but yeah, follow us along. Absolutely crazy. I was here last week, all this was down here. All this is poison ivy, so you have to watch out. And I have lovely shorts, so yeah, just walking up the jungle. Special guest, flew from South Africa. There's some trail screw quality right here. Slap that dirt, shape it.
So this is the end of the week of our rebuild. We've done lots of things. It's been action-packed. We've done lots of woodworking. We built the shed. It's done. Little paint job on the table. We've reshaped some dirt jumps because we got some nice and moist dirt. And yeah, next up is going to be some more shaping. But for now, this is the end of the week. Thanks you guys for watching. Tune in for more. Like and subscribe.